Meet James, a resident of the UK. He wanted to buy a modern air conditioner but was worried about the price. So, he browsed the collection of Bright Air, chose a high-functioning AC and placed the order. Their products were branded, affordable and could lower the temperature quickly and efficiently. Plus, they also offered generous warranty options along with free next-day delivery. James was overjoyed with their high-quality products. So, like him, do you also want to buy an AC at affordable prices? Check out brightair.co.uk or call 012992122747 to know more.